Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I'm at Hector Martinez and Maria Carmen's property in Sugar Hill, Georgia. Went ahead and marked up everything for our inspection purposes. Did an inspection packet, but we're also going to be attempting to repair a shingle today. We're going to be repairing this shingle right here. As you can see, it is these 3 tabs. You can see that the tab ends right there. I'm gonna let you guys follow along during this process. Let you guys get a little overview of shingle condition here. As you can see, it is definitely a deteriorated shingle, probably past its life expectancy. But here's an overview of the shingles that I'll be repairing today, guys. Let's set you guys down. Here's the new shingle going in. Tried to find a similar color. Right. Get you guys situated. Get hot about these roofs. Can't get under this one. There it is. As you can see, some of these are easier than others. That one just popped up. Ooh. Looks like someone came up here and put some sealant under the damaged shingle right here. Try to seal it back down. Oh no. All right, guys, and let me give you a little example here. This is the nail I just pulled out of the roof right here, and this is the size of a normal roofing nail right there. So you can see they used wrong nails, about twice the length. So it'll definitely affect pulling these out. Hopefully we're able to. Okay, no nail there. Okay, no nail there. Okay, no nail there. Got one here. Again, supposed to be 1.25 inches. Those are probably about 2 inch to 2.25 inches. Missing some nails in there that should pop out. Yeah, this thing only had 4 nails. Yeah, let's go ahead and put the new shingle in. guys. New shingle in place here. Now, sure we all know if this was the repair, take a couple steps over. None of these shingles were affected by this repair. Now, I'll go ahead and, as you can see, I can rub my hands very lightly across these shingles, and very minimal granules come off. I know the shingles are in pretty bad condition, but there are no loose granules on these. Now, here is the repair, and I had to manipulate these 2 rows of shingles to be able to pull that shingle out and put a new one in. As you can see on some of these shingles, it has already started to tear in the corners and crease, but as I'll do the same motion as I did before, as I lightly rub my hands across these shingles. If the next windstorm, any inclement weather came, rain, it would wash these loose granules off, leaving the insured susceptible to this damage. I'll go ahead and chalk this up so you guys can get a better look. Thank you for your consideration.